Sarah, and I'm here to see if I can show you the impact of red shadow root, medium balayage length with blonde hair. So currently I do have a shadow root right now with some grown out. What I'd like to do is take a comb and just dye everything in file, and maybe do about like 2 inches more than the previous blonde that I do have. So I do have like 2 inches down. I still would like to frame my face, so maybe a little bit more blonde up in the front, but each row I will continue a longer shadow root, and again, almost like that premature balayage, because it's not quite all the way there, but I am working from the inside and going out, so it might still look like a really cool balayage. So the hair dye I'm using is the L'Oreal Paris, the Feria, and it's the R68. I will be switching camera as I'm gonna do my hair. And just a disclaimer, I do have a perm. What I'll do at the end is, for the results, hopefully it goes well, I will take a picture of what my hair looks like when it's permed, and then I'll straighten it, and then you could see the blonde and the newly red. So I'm pretty excited. I hope you enjoy it. This is for people with anything with like a shadow root practice, or just wants to see the difference between a red blend and blonde. I did see there's not a whole lot out there, so if you do want to see those kind of colors, this is a good video to watch. Go on the link below. I do have some stuff on Redbubble that I do for digital art. If you like this nice case here, it's a woman holding a coin, and it's her back and facing the moon. I did make this. If you're interested, just go on Redbubble. This is like a medium size makeup bag. There's more stuff, and for each video that I do, I will do maybe like 2 digital print ideas. If you're interested in coasters or posters or stickers, or makeup bags or phone cases, anything like that, Redbubble is a great way to find the unique print that you need. And if you have any recommendations, please let me know, because I'm very excited to share any kind of digital art with you guys. Let's just see how this hair turns out for now. Just showing you the shadow root of everything. I apologize if there is kind of a gap in type of angles where you want to see, because I'm still working for like firsthand experience of 2 angles of videos. Again, one's like over here, I'm looking at the mirror, I have to look up, and then to see what this is about, it's like right over here. So just let you know.
I'm very honest on my YouTube channel. It took me a long time to grow, and even recently I shared my journey of how I built up.
Done in the back, I've not done yet, as you can see. I should have checked the time, but oh well, it'll all be done.
Actually, I could probably check the time on here.
It's the gift of technology nowadays. No, I did not get hit by a car or motorcycle. This is red hair to end. So welcome back to my channel. This is a day after taking a shower and doing all the hair dye, and I have a huge surprise for you because not only are my roots the right color, but everything turned red. And I have a few answers for you guys so that way this doesn't happen. I will be doing a separate video maybe on how to fix this, how to strip out this excess red, because this was a big no-no. What you should probably do if you do dye your hair red and you do a shadow root or a medium balayage is that there are three things. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you put it in your blonde while the other root stuff is already dyed. Conditioner. Second thing would be that when you wash your hair, once it's all dyed and everything's in there, make sure it's only cold water, because I guess with cold water it reduces the follicle of your hair to a very short and tiny tiny I don't know, tiny follicles, like a tiny, it shrinks the follicle, so that way the dye, especially red dye, the dye will not bleed into anything else. That way it freezes the color and it stays. This is supposed to help a lot in that situation. So cold water when you wash, conditioner already in your hair that is bleached, and only wash it with conditioner for the first 24 hours. After the 24 hours, you can go ahead, I guess, and do shampoo. But literally, like, you saw my end result and everything. My end result was great, okay? My end result was fantastic. It was dyed. I had, like, the back going on with my blonde. And all of a sudden I get out of the shower because I use shampoo and all of that fun stuff, and I come out and it's just, I do miss my blonde. My blonde was very precious to me. I invested a lot of money in my hair for being blonde. So to go back,
so really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do you?
well, at last we are here, and this is it. This is it. Do you hear that in the background? I got the red shadow root. I got barely any bleeding after. And I still got my blonde after all that raising it from the dead, getting it back to blonde. This is the bottom half. And the top half here. just so you see one style in between. This is probably how I'll wear most of my hair. Top half up. That's great. Fu Manchu. Well, that's pretty much what it looks like. Getting all straightened out. Ba-da-ba-dee. Welcome to the shadow root, ladies and men. Put in conditioner when you're
dyeing anything on your roots, put in that conditioner while it's still in the dye. And when you rinse this motherfucker out, make sure it's cold water only and no shampoo. Then you won't have to go through what I did, which is a separate video and a little bit of a glimpse in this one here.
Put in conditioner